Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's take a trip to Japan and make some dorayaki, a traditional Japanese dessert. Start by blending up 300 grams of boiled red beans. Pour that into a pan and add 250 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt and 80 milliliters of oil. Heat and mix. Remove that from the heat and in a fresh pan add your dorayaki dough. It's quite easy to make with kitchen staples. Cook it on one side and flip over. Take one dorayaki and add red bean paste on top. Then close it up with another. And the next one we're filling with Nutella. Experiment with a variety of fillings, whatever you like. And there you have it, dorayaki. Slice each one in half. Revealing the delicious filling. And serve. Tanoshimu. Enjoy!